Hey guys, it's Zamero. Hope you're all doing well. It's been kind of a boring, tiring week for me, so I just wanna wish you a happy Thursday. Woo woo. I'm gonna sing a song that I I didn't write it, but I just I like to create stuff, so enjoy. Whenever I want to fly and the oceans fall through the waterfall, things aren't the same as it used to be, and I miss being your best friend. Whenever the ocean becomes a waterfall, people dance around through the storm. People will fly, people will be happy, and the world will show who it's yours. Whenever there's a waterfall by the ocean, and the ocean just wishes and floors, people come and go, people and fly away. There's nothing I can say or do. Baby, I'm on that motorcycle road. Baby, I feel the energy flow. So whenever the waterfall becomes the ocean, it's just something we understand. The waterfall is the ocean when we don't want to fall. When the ocean wants to swish and fluoride, there's nothing I can do or say. When I want to go out into the world and fly like a pelican, and I try and try and try, but there's no possibility. People will fly, people will learn. But when the ocean comes, the waterfall, and we're all around each other, there's nothing I can do or say, because baby, I'm on the motorcycle. Whenever the ocean becomes a waterfall, the ocean goes twirling fluoride, and baby just want to know, 'cause there's nothing I can say or do. When the ocean becomes a waterfall, when the ocean becomes a waterfall, the ocean becomes a waterfall, when the ocean becomes a waterfall. Thank you for watching my video. God bless.